Kakari, you are the traitor, aren't you? There you go.
And no, I did not throw that.
You piece of crap.
Oh,
I did not throw that.
Who's at the barn then?
I am. I just got here. Let me see.
That's a taser.
It was Demon.
Who's
Damon.
Got him.
Demon.
He was throwing
Was it
freaking.
really Demon? I have a hard time believing that he was throwing.
Hey, Kokari.
I got in the barn.
He was the only one.
I got in the barn and he was in here.
Let's test the
Hey, can I have
taser.
that?
No.
Cabbage is tea. Cabbage is tea.
I got another
What?
use on it.
What happened?
I don't know why.
Cause.
Cause.
He was innocent.
Nah, he was just...
Guys, what are you doing?
So wait.
What the fuck?
So wait, Kaz killed Epic because Epic killed someone randomly. I think that was karma well deserved on Epic's part, but you shouldn't have killed Kaz.
If I die, I'm with Austin.
But there's no way we can know if it is Cause.
Yeah, don't fucking do that.
But why did Epic taser Kakari?
No idea.
Epic, are you RDMing again, dude? Like,
He had to. He
Oh.
had to. There's no other way.
What do you mean he had to?
He identified her the minute she died. He identified her the
Durkin-
minute. You know what? Hey, whoever has the DNA scanner, go DNA Epic's body.
I think Darkin has it. Oh, someone died. I saw a yellow bar.
I'm in deep trouble.
I think it was down below.
Yeah, he's inside the trader room.
Oh, okay. So let's see, Darkin and who else? Or Austin and who else? Tate.
No, it's not me.
Ark, are you alive?
No, here. Is he in the trader room?
Oh, reloading! How did you not get me? How did you not get me?
100% okay.
Yes, apparently they really have to.
So I demand you guys show me
I
where
hear
this
a
horn
body.
is, else I slay you all.
I hear a body.
Underneath the helicopter pad.
No, I'm slaying it anyway.
Whoa.
Well, there's an unidentified body,
I hear
but
a
I don't
body.
even care. I just want to honk the horn.
Demon.
Where's the horn? Where is it? Show me!
Go to the helicopter
Demon,
pad.
why?
Okay.
Why?
And then what?
Then go. Then jump.
Then
Then
horn.
Do you see what we have?
I hear a thing.
Yeah! I didn't get a honk the horn! I'm killing everybody! C4? I ain't letting this go down.
He heard him.
Where is he?
You didn't let me honk the horn!
Holy hell.
I love the middle finger.
How about you don't go in here
By
then?
somebody.
Let me just go. It's my room! This is my boat!
Everyone!
Kill
Kill him before he
Plix's
gets the horn.
Kill Plix's
Ladies,
boat.
when you're
SS
done
Kill Plix.
kissing each other,
Oh no! I'm stuck!
B-Dog, don't do it! B-Dog, no! I'm dead.
see, that's why you're still talking, right?
Fucking horn!
Kill
How are you?
Son of a-
Cabbage, I told you to fucking kill you.
It ain't me!
I think yeah, of course.
Oh, God, wait!
Was it-
God, my dang horn! Oh!
Okay.
Yeah!
2 seconds.
Well,
I won. I won the game.
Yeah, you honk the fucking horn! What? Didn't even friggin' honk it one time! What up? My horn!
Cabbage is is ready for C4s. He's got a diffuser and no one's planted.
All right, I'm gonna throw my frag.
somewhere.
I don't even care. Yeah, I'm gonna throw mine. I'm gonna save people.
It got quiet.
Like a second, but yes, I'm dead.
Austin! Austin! It's back of the house! Back of the house! Back of the house!
Don't come near me. I'm throwing my frag.
I'll bet on
Speedy,
shooting you are.
please!
Okay,
Please! No! No! It's Austin, though.
Alright,
It's
holla at me,
Austin.
son. Where are you? I'm in the house with a shotgun.
I don't know who else it is. Just watch your back, Dino. It could be Speedy or Epic. Not Epic.
Wait, is Austin dead already?
He's at the front of the house.
Okay, so extra nuts is safe. Extra nuts is perfect. Which means
Nice, you got him.
Yeah, D.
Speedy.
Alright, so someone just died right above us. Art just died. Kill Speedy.
Okay.
Austin, how did you miss?
Kill this.
I wasn't even like pointing at you, and I don't know why.
Oh.
I just
Cam died. I hit him with the dig. I hit him. Didn't register.
No, you missed.
Extra,
No,
you're
there was
bad.
blood.
You're bad.
Hotline Mammy, here we go.
He has all of his health.
Yeah, exactly. There was blood. It's called latency.
I can't even tell if I saw you or not.
Yeah, I hit him in the leg. He's got blood on his leg on my side.
But yeah, but if the server didn't register, then you didn't hit him.
Yeah. It didn't register on the server side.
Here we go. Come on, Dino. You got the advantage here. You got a shotgun. He's got an AK. Come on.
Not really with the way
Yeah,
he's
but
just
Speedy has
hopping up and
freaking
down.
try hardness.
I know, but come on. Dino can totally take this if he plays smart.
Which he does not. Which
He
he does
does.
not.
He does. Oh, never mind.
He got my
lied,
prop
guys.
gun.
Will Speedy actually fall for that?
I told him to go get my prop gun.
Oh. Why is he
What's
going
he
back
doing?
here?
What is he?
He's stuck back there now. There's no way out of there once you get back there. So
He's fucking stuck. Is he rising? His
it looks like a head like right.
Get him out!
It looks like he's just going up and down.
And then he goes back down. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, that was hilarious.
Speed's like so lost right
No,
now.
don't possess him. Just don't. I just want to see if Speedy catches on eventually.
You're dead.
Holy crap! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh!
Hey, you're.
Jeez, all
I'm gonna be-
caps. 4 different messages.
gonna be-
Well, I'm like,
Fucking
just
dumb
do
after this
Amsterville,
match.
and then I died, so you didn't even hear me, and I was like, oh my freaking lord!
I said I'd do Amsterdam.
Why don't we done on the
Okay,
first round anyway, so
everyone.
let's
Everyone
make it
needs to go to McDonald's and buy non-salted
PJ,
fries, please.
Can you even
Actually,
get
just
non-salted
buy-
fries?
Can you just like
For
shut
lunch.
up? My god.
Okay,
Nah, I can't shut up. Sorry.
everyone's. Yeah, everyone.
I'm having a good time. I don't know about you.
It's fucking hilarious. You kidding?
No, Austin,
Stand in the
please
doorway.
don't do it.
If I die,
Yeah.
I've been wanting to play this map as a T for a reason. I can't wait.
well,
So
I
kill
guess we'll
Dino?
kill Dino.
I know
Yeah,
the reason.
Kill Dino.
No, I said when.
Kill Dino.
Dang it. No, I ain't even gonna kill him.
You trying to get
Yeah, check it.
Just saying though, I'm not a traitor this round.
He tried to come
Just
in
an
through the
FYI.
window while it was shutting and opening. Why? Don't
Yeah.
do
Prove
it,
I'm not a
Hey,
traitor.
How you doing? How you fucking doing?
I'm not
Cos
a
is gonna
traitor.
RDM me.
Just stay
Yes,
still.
totally.
Come on.
Hey, you know, we all know that RDM means I'm pointing a gun at you, because clearly that's what happens. Genius.
Oh, Holy
Ooh, that almost got me.
That would have been funny. And then I would have saw that you're really the traitor. I would have laughed and laughed and laughed and laughed.
Don't laugh. Oh, shotgun shots.
It is done!
And the loud ass.
Yeah, I killed
I'm
one.
getting sniped. I'm getting sniped.
Holy
They're
crap.
at the docks. They're at the docks.
Yeah, they are.
Dog.
It said it's done!
There's a traitor there.
That's Dino.
Dino.
Shoot, are you kidding? Wait. No, see, he's alive. That freaking piece of crap. I knew it.
Speedy, you just scared the shit out of me.
See? He's alive. He even
So
saw him. That means
Austin
he's a
is dead.
traitor.
Kill Dino. Kill Dino.
I'll get all of you guys before you kill me.
You have
Hey,
the fish.
Dino. Where's the fish?
I tried to kill Austin with it, and I actually managed to do it.
Oh wow, Austin is alive. I'm confused.
Where's the fish, Dino? What?
He killed him!
Austin?
He killed Orange!
Good. Good. I would have given him a pat on the back and a cookie.
He killed Orange, so I crowbarred him to death and he let me. He just let me crowbar him to death. Holy frick. What is going on?
So it's not
What's even
Speedy.
going on?
I don't think it's Speedy, because Speedy could have murdered me at any point. So, and it's not me, so it's either Austin or Cabbage.
There's not...
I'm gonna ruin what
Wasn't there two traitors?
Dino's gonna do when he
Wait,
sees.
is there only one traitor?
No, there's
No,
no
there's no
detective.
detective.
There's only one.
How about we just play around?
So I've been
until we
talking
get
in the
next
T
wait.
chat for nothing.
Hey. What?
Damn.
Let's kill Austin, because clearly he's the T. Oh god, he actually is. Oh, that was you, Speedy. Oh, I thought you were Austin.
God, he's gonna kill me. I'm not happy about this.
We should cuss.
Listen, I think it's Austin. Yep. Yep.
Oh. Austin.
It's actually Cabbage. I'd go kill him. You should go kill Cabbage.
Why don't I believe you? I don't know what to do anymore.
Only one traitor.
Why would you? Why
You
would
kill
you?
everyone but the traitor.
I
I love it.
Do you like that little hidey hole I did there?
Game over, man.
What?
Yeah, yeah.
You killed him.
He goes in there and I
Yeah,
just
'cause you fucking
head
you fucking
behind.
shot at me.
I just hide
You
behind
pulled.
the door.
I don't even
You
know.
pulled a dino where you hide behind a
I'm
coin
done.
and just
I
let
just
him
put
run.
myself in jail. I'm fucking done.
Hey, Austin, you killed a few innocents. You might want to
Yeah,
put your
I'm doing it.
karma
I
above
couldn't even put
1,000.
myself
I
in jail. Alright. Well, that makes it, I guess.
Cabbage, why? Cabbage, he's right there.
He looked right at him!
You looked at it.
Wait a minute.
No!
I was like,
Oh my
legitimately, I like walked up to him, I'm like, huh, that's weird. I could have sworn I saw something yellow, but it's a case of milk.
my
And I walked
God.
away, I just tried to stop him, like, wait a second.